skin purification and spot lightening, before, after. Applicable scenarios: skin care centers, beauty salons, home care services, training institution teaching. Step 1. Makeup removal plus cleansing plus toner. Makeup remover plus cleansing gently removes facial dirt and makeup. Toner, secondary cleansing plus adjusts skin pH. Blackhead removal solution plus hot spray, double softens blackheads and makes removal easier. Step 2. Deep cleansing. Operation method. Start from the forehead, nose, chin, and cheeks, and proceed in sequence. Throughout the procedure, wipe the treated area with a cotton pad. Step 3. Deep pore cleansing. Apply carbon gel evenly across the face. And allow it to dry. Cover the recipient's eyes with cotton pads, then place the black goggles on. Position the treatment head 3 to 5 centimeters away from the face, and move the handle smoothly across the face until the carbon gel is fully removed. Remove the goggles and cotton pads. Cleanse the face with a cleansing wipe. Step 4. Lighten spots and rejuvenate skin. Position the treatment head 3 to 5 centimeters away from the facial skin, and move the handle across the face, starting from the chin. Remove the goggles and cotton pads. Step 5. Repair care. First, apply a layer of gauze on the face. Then apply the mask once, preferably a moisturizing and hydrating type, with the main effect being promoting blood circulation and metabolism. Cover the eyes of the participants with cotton pads and put on black goggles. Face LED light. Suggested yellow light fades dark spots and brightens skin. Apply the hydrating and softening mask, provides intense hydration and deeply nourishes the skin. Step 6. Moisturizing and sun protection. Remove the mask and cleanse the face. Apply toner, essence, facial cream, sun cream, skincare finishing, consolidate nursing effects.